Good morning, student. Today I teach you predecessor and the successor. What is predecessor and successor? The number is 99. 98 is predecessor. Predecessor means just before and successor means just after. 98 comes just before 99. It is predecessor of 99. 100 successor. 100 comes just after 99. It is the successor of 99. Write the successor number. The number after. Successor means just after. 79. The number comes after 79 is 80. 169. 69. 170. 200. The number just after 200 is 201. The number 352 just after 52. Number is 53. Here the number is 353. Now these are your CW task. 468 you write 467, 307, 308. Okay. Now write the predecessor. Predecessor, the number just before 52. What come before 52? It means 51. 9090. Always remember after or predecessor. Here the number is 90. Then you write here 89. 111. You write here 110. 257. You write here 256. 300. It means 299. Okay. Now write, this one is your CW task. Write the number between. Between means the number after the number of 67 and before the number of 69. 67, 68, 69. 199. Remember it, student. After 99 always come 100. If the number is 199, then here the number come 200. If the number is 299, then you write the 300. Okay. 109, then the number is 110. Okay. Now the next one is continue the pattern. Here the pattern 472. Next one is 476, 480. It means the difference between 4. How many numbers? 4 numbers. So you add here in each and every one 4. 480. Then 484. Next to 4 here. Okay. Now the next 540. The next number is 560. The difference between two number is 20. It's the successor number. 50, 540, 560, 580. All these are the successor number and difference between two. So 580, after that 600. You fill this one. Adding after 20. Now here 950, 900, 850. Here the student, not the successor number. Here the number is predecessor. It means the 50 number is minus here each of the number. So if we subtract 50 from 950, we get the 900. If we minus 50 in 900, then we get the 850. If we subtract 50 from 850, then we get the 800. This to one you fill yourself. Yes, today homework is write the number in words 51 to 100. Thank you.